Vision Fitness treadmills are simple, reliable, and comfortable. Key features found on all Vision Fitness home treadmill frames include 2.5-inch crowned rollers that reduce wear on the belt and help keep it centered. A 1-inch pre-waxed phenolic deck adding durability and longevity. Non-slip side rails to grip your shoes for added safety and comfort. Our variable durometer elastomer cushioning system provides cushioning and support right where you need it. Side handlebars for added support. Front transport wheels that allow easy movement. Metal end caps that will not break like most plastic end caps. Belt guides to help the belt track properly, and a large ventilated motor cover keeping the system cooler for a longer life. Our 2009 treadmills utilize a one-piece motor cover for easier assembly. The T9200 and T9250 are popular entry-level platform and folding treadmills. They utilize a 2.5 horsepower digital drive system and a standard 2-ply belt. The workout area is a comfortable 54 by 20 inches, and the frame consists of our standard heavy gauge tubing. The T9250 folding model, like the T9550, features our exclusive drop assist deck. The shocks help support the weight when you lift and lower the deck. The T9500 and T9550 platform and folding treadmills offer many of the same features as our T9600, such as the 3.0 horsepower motor and matching 3.0 horsepower digital drive system. It has our 4.4 millimeter orthopedic belt and a workout area of 57 by 20 inches. These models utilize standard heavy gauge tubing. The T9600 is our top-of-the-line treadmill frame. It incorporates our largest deck, which can be flipped to double its life, and measures 60 by 20 inches. It boasts our extra heavy gauge steel tubing for heavier and taller users. It also has our 3.0 horsepower Cambridge Motorworks motor with matching 3.0 horsepower digital drive system to assure smooth, consistent power, even at lower speeds. The extra thick 4.4 millimeter orthopedic belt provides an extra comfortable workout. Key features found on all Vision Fitness home treadmill consoles include a quick start button, simply press and go. Speed and elevation quick keys that provide easy, single-touch adjustments while working out. An accessory tray with integrated reading rack to hold your cell phone, remote control, or MP3 player. An ergonomic handlebar with contact heart rate and an easy-to-read display with elevation, time, distance, calories, speed, pace, and heart rate readouts. There is a reason why we call this the simple console. It has a large LED for easy viewing. The smaller LED gives you heart rate feedback from the contact heart rate bar. Simple controls, simply press the start button and you're on your way to a great workout. If you do not need any programs or additional feedback from the console, then the simple console is your best choice. Our deluxe console is designed for the user who wants some programming, but not every top-of-the-line feature. This console has 3 interactive heart rate programs, 3 goal programs, 5 custom user programs, and 6 preset programs that include muscle toner and speed intervals. It also features the exclusive Sprint 8 20-minute anaerobic workout. The blue backlit LCD and 3 upper LED windows give extra data at a glance, and the graphic display lets you know where you are in your workout. Our Premier console is loaded with all the programming features you'll need to achieve your fitness goals, from its 4 interactive heart rate programs to the exclusive Sprint 8 workout. It even keeps track of your workout totals by allowing up to 6 users to personalize and save their data in a personal workout calendar. The full-color LCD display with its interactive ATM-style keys easily guides and engages the user through each workout with easy-to-read instructions, various background scenes, and more.